Hello, everybody. My name is Lakeisha Baker, and welcome to Week 11 discussion on collaborative law. And this is my video answering the questions that are within this assignment. So, what is collaborative law? Collaborative law, it's also known as collaborative practice. It's a new approach to practicing law that's becoming more popular with the public who really don't want to deal with traditional processes so far as litigation and court are concerned. So collaborative law is a different method of solving disputes or matters, especially when we talk about divorce or the dissolution of marriage. The next question is, when do you believe collaborative law is likely to be most effective and why? I believe that collaborative law is most likely to be most effective when both parties have agreed that they don't want to destroy their relationship based on, court and based on some of the things that can just go wrong into a trial so far as property and children are concerned. So more and more couples today feel that ending their marriage need not involve causing damage to each other or their children. And most couples are choosing the collaborative process to reach respectful settlements without going to court or perpetuating any animosity that often is characterized within divorce. So I do think that it's best to be used when both parties feel that way. Even if one party feels that way and can get the other person on board, I think that it's very much so beneficial. The next question is, based on your understanding of the practice of collaborative law, what does a day in the life of using collaborative law approaches, what does it look like for lawyering? When we talk about collaborative law, we're referring to the process of basically removing disputes from the fight and win setting of a court. And it looks like I think the day in the life would be the attorney troubleshooting to problem solve and then setting negotiations, but again, removing the we're going to fight, we're going to win aspect of what most people that have gone through a divorce or maybe looking to go through a divorce could possibly face. So it's a collaborative divorce. That's the root word of collaborative law, is that we're collaborating, and it's a process by which the parties use mediation and negotiations, to settle their divorce. The last question is, why do you advocate for the use of collaborative law in legal practice? I advocate for it as an individual. I've never been married, therefore there's no divorce, but we've all experienced breakups or a dissolution of something that we went into thinking would be forever. And I'm an advocate for it is because things change, people change. That doesn't mean that it has to be difficult. It doesn't mean that things have to be destroyed. Sometimes there are children involved or pets and property, other loved ones in the mix. So if that can be dissolved in the most pleasant manner possible, there's going to always be some level of uncomfortableness, but it doesn't have to be a drag out fight to the end. So I'm an advocate for it simply because I think that it's the most sane way to say we're moving forward and we're moving on. Thank you for the time that we've had, and things have now changed. So I think that it's the most healthy way as well for people to be able to heal and progress. So that is my video. Thank you so much.